Hello, teacher. Today's topic is who started Korean finger heart? And I searched, and I found really interesting story and fact. So I'm really excited to share this one. And when I check nowadays, like actor, Korean idol group, like girl group, boy group, even president, politician, children, everyone, we are using this Korean finger hearts in Korea. It's really popular. And I wanted to find who started. And I found from 2013, around springtime, it became really popular because of one member of boy band, the Infinite. 내거 하자. That's one of their like famous song. And the member of Infinite, Nam Woo-hyun, he started to use this one. He usually like send a lot of like heart to his fans. So not only this one, this. Yeah, so many different kind of heart like he sent his fans. So like he used this one a lot. So many people, they just take a picture of him and post it online, and oh, that's cool. So online people started to use this one more and more. And after that, on media, like girl group or actor and actress, they started to use more and more. And from 2013, right now, it became like super popular. Everyone used this one. Even I think like around like Asia, Japan, and China, some actress, they used even this one. So everyone was like, oh, the Nam Woo-hyun Infinite member, he is like inventor. He made this one. And one other people, like one boy group, like the boss, he said like, actually I'm the one. I'm the inventor. I will show you his picture. Yes. And this picture is 2004. He took this picture. So, okay. Maybe Min Kyung-hoon from Buzz. He's the inventor. And sometime later, G-Dragon, you know, from Big Bang. I will show you the picture. Yes. When he was around like 5 years old, he took this picture. So he was born in 1988. So around like he was 5 years old, I think, did this one. So 1993, he did this. And sometime later again, the Yang Se-young, his comedian, he's really funny. His comedian, he showed the picture on one program that like, actually I'm original inventor. And I will show you the picture. Yes. So at that time he was around 5 years old. But he was born in 1985. So 1990 he started. So everyone thought that, okay, G-Dragon or Yang Se-young, maybe they're inventor. And I thought that's all. I was thinking that's my clip. But I found really interesting fact. This is like, now I will start. So around the 1990s, one like a sexy singer, she became really popular with one of her dance. Like that was a V. She was dancing like this. And I will show you the picture. Yes, she was dancing like this, exactly. So after that, the V, super popular. Everyone take a picture with the V shape like this. And some people, they're like introverts. They think that this V shape is too like kind of show off. So some people like, okay, let's make humble V, like smaller. So some people take a picture like this, and when other people do like this, they do this. And but some people, for them, this one is like still too much. So they want to make the smaller V shape. And they made this one, smallest V shape. This is humble V. And in Korea, around like 1990s, lots of actor and actress, they try to make this one. So you will be able to find lots of this V shape, like humble V. In Korean is 겸손한 V. They use this one. So actually original inventor, maybe, I don't know who made this one, like from this to this. He's maybe, that person is maybe inventor. But that the meaning was like a humble V. But now this is hard. It changed. So I think that like maybe Nam Woo-hyun, infinite, he changed the meaning to hard. So maybe he's the one, the inventor. Maybe you can think like you will choose who is the inventor of the V shape. But anyway, it was humble V. Right now it's hard. So I will send a lot of heart to you guys. Thank you for watching my clip, and I hope you enjoyed my clip. So that's all. So 감사합니다. Bye bye.